I'm sitting here with the Luther Bible, the Book of Psalms, a good, true biblical book, not like the apocryphal books, so wrong and false. This is a copy of the great Lutheran Bible. Genesis, the first book of Moses. This is a very pretty and glorious Bible, the Bible of the home. Yeah, it contains the Old Testament and the New Testament, as a good Bible should, from the publishing house of the blessed Luther himself. Was ist los? The apocryphal books? Nein! Why does it contain these? I have been told by all the Roman Catholics that Luther removed these wrong and evil books. It cannot be true. Nein! The apocryphal books of the Old Testament. Nein, das ist Tobias, the book of Tobit. Why is it in my Bible? Das cannot be true. No, the book of Judith. Ach, mein Gott, was ist los? The book of wisdom. Nein, Sirach also. No. It must be a mistake. Evil papist infiltration. The first book of Maccabees. No, it proves the doctrine of purgatory. No!